Today on Build and Rebuild, let's remove the Outdrive. Alright, let the fun begin. I just tried to put air in this and the bead's no longer sealed on the front one at least. I might have to jack this up. I don't know. Alright, well, we'll give it another shot. Okay, we have the Outdrive lowered to the cement. We've got the boat backed up to the shop here. I believe the next step, I'll have to check the service manual though, is to remove these. So we can get these off. And then the 6 bolts, or the 6 nuts there. And from there we should be able to pull the Outdrive assembly out. I also believe I want to pull the transom assembly, and I'm not sure how to do that at this point, but there were detailed instructions in the service manual. So I'm going to go dig that up and start with the Outdrive. Alright, after some persuasion, I think we've got it. You can see some nasty stuff in here. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but like bird's nest or something in there. I don't know. But anyway, well, this is the part that needs to come out. I think all I really need to get the engine out, so I might stop here on this, is to just get this Outdrive, pulled the rest of the way out. There's a shaft in here that goes to the engine, basically, I guess. So that's got to come out. And then we'll go from there, I guess. Well, there she is, out of the boat. The Outdrive, I can verify it is about 50 to 75 pounds. I'm going to set it in this oil catch pan to catch any water or oil, anything that comes out of it, maybe if I tip it sideways. Whew, that was some work. Stay tuned for more on this boat project, including engine removal and teardown. Please like and subscribe, and also make sure you hit that notification bell, because you never know when I'm going to pop a video up here.